Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a skirt with rick-rack ribbon and lace to fit 18-inch Crissy dolls and similar sized dolls. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download these two free printable sewing patterns. Note that the sandal pattern does not fit Crissy. Use the pattern to cut out the fabric you see here. It's a rectangle shape. Double fold hem the length of your fabric. If you're not familiar with hemming, I have a tutorial for that. Just look in the description below this video on YouTube for a link to my whipstitch tutorial. Then create a casing on the other long side of the fabric. So you'll see me doing that here. I fold once, a small fold, and then a little deeper fold, like maybe a half inch. If you need help with creating a casing too, I've got a tutorial for that too. Once you have a casing and a hem, add some ribbon. Now I'm using a 1/4 inch ribbon that also has lace along the edging, so it's already made that way, and I bought it at Joann's. I recommend that you sew it to the hem of your skirt before you cut away what you don't need. Remember, you're sewing to the hem side. Now I sewed along the ribbon's top and bottom edges, and you'll see me doing that here. So I'm sewing along the bottom edge, and then I do not cut the ribbon yet. I just sew along the top. Next I added some metallic rickrack, and these are the specs for the rickrack. Again, I bought that at Joann Fabric. I sewed the rickrack down the ribbon's middle. So you'll see me doing that here on my sewing machine. Right down the middle of that rickrack, and then you trim, and you do the same with the ribbon. You want to trim it after you've sewn it on. Measure your doll's waist for elastic, cut your elastic to fit, and then attach a safety pin to one end. You're going to send the safety pin through the casing, pausing at each end of the waist to insert that straight pin that you see here. That straight pin holds the elastic in place. So here I am doing that. I insert my little safety pin. I keep pushing the safety pin through until there's just a little bit of elastic left, and then you hold the elastic in place with a straight pin, and then you finish pushing your safety pin through, remove the safety pin, and again hold it in place with a straight pin. And then you fold it in half, just like you saw me doing in the video there. You're going to sew from the waist to the hem and then invert the skirt, and you'll see me doing that quickly right there. Now you're ready to try it on your doll. This Crissy doll is so fun to sew for. For more free printable sewing patterns for dolls of many shapes and a lot of different sizes, and for free summer top patterns too, because I have those, don't forget to visit my website shelleywood.com, and you can even see some of the other patterns I have here. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It actually helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.